Lesson 1, 你好, which means hello in Chinese. These two characters, as you can see in the textbook, 你 and 好, literally mean you, good. Please notice that the first character 你, you, is the third tone, and the second character 好 is also the third tone. But when two characters of the third tone are put together, we change the first character to the second tone, so it's easier to pronounce. So in this case, we would say 你好 instead of 你好, which is longer and less convenient, right? So there are some other words, other tone combinations like this, that when one tone is added to another tone, they would change for the sake of convenience. So if you have noticed some other combinations like this, please let me know in the comment. 你好 means hello, but in China, we don't really say 你好 to everyone. Especially with friends or families. So 你好 is usually used in a formal setting, at work or when you meet a stranger, someone you have never met before. When you see a friend, you simply say hi, or how have you been doing in Chinese, of course. In text 2, we can see the first line, 您好. So the first character is 您, which is slightly different from the character 你, you. So 您 here, it means, it's a polite way to say you. We can see this character that the top part is the same as in you, the less polite part, the less polite character, and under it we have a heart, part that means heart. So 您好 is a polite, more polite way to say hello, to greet others. And 您 is used a lot in, especially in the north part of China, like Beijing. In Beijing, people like to say 您 all the time, even when they don't necessarily mean it to be polite. And in text 2, line B, we can see 你们好. So 你们 means you, plural. So when we want to say the plural of a group of people, like we, you, they, we simply add the character 们 after you, we, he, she. So 你们好, you, like hello to you, a group of people. So in text 3, we have 2 lines that says sorry and it's okay. The first one, 对不起, this means sorry. And second line, 没关系, it's okay, it doesn't matter. So 没关系, it literally means no relation, or it doesn't matter.